Hook, have you ever wondered just how much money you can stash away in your Monzo account? It's a question that's popped up in the minds of many, and we're here to shed some light on it. Building context, Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app, fee-free spending, and a host of other features. But when it comes to the amount you can keep in your account, there are a few factors to consider. Factor 1. Monzo's terms and conditions. Let's start with the basics. Monzo's terms and conditions outline the limits and restrictions for your account. While there's no hard and fast rule about the maximum amount you can hold, they do have some guidelines in place. Account type. Your account type will influence the limits. For instance, a personal account might have different restrictions compared to a business account. Regulatory limits. Monzo is subject to various regulations, including those imposed by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. These regulations set limits on certain types of transactions and account balances. Factor 2. Your individual circumstances. Your personal situation also plays a role. Here are some factors to consider. Country of residence. If you're based outside the UK, Monzo might have different rules or limitations. KYC requirements. To comply with anti-money laundering regulations, Monzo may need to verify your identity. This might involve providing additional documents or information, which could temporarily affect your account limits. Account activity. Your account activity can also influence your limits. For example, if you're frequently making large transactions or receiving large sums of money, Monzo might need to review your account to ensure compliance. Factor 3. Monzo's internal policies. Monzo, like any other financial institution, has its own internal policies. These policies can vary over time and may affect your account limits. The short answer. While it's impossible to provide a definitive answer to the question how much money can you have in Monzo without knowing your specific circumstances, we can say this: Monzo generally doesn't impose strict limits on account balances. However, it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with their terms and conditions and be prepared to provide additional information if necessary. Additional considerations. Foreign exchange limits. If you're holding or transferring money in foreign currencies, Monzo might have specific limits in place. Interest rates. While Monzo doesn't currently offer interest on your account balance, this could change in the future. If interest is introduced, it might affect your overall balance. Account fees. Monzo is generally fee-free, but there might be exceptions, such as for certain types of transactions or if you use your card abroad. Conclusion. So, how much money can you have in Monzo? The answer is, it depends. By understanding the factors that influence your account limits and following Monzo's guidelines, you can maximize the potential of your account and enjoy the benefits of digital banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.